Today, we're talking about how to make every patient feel like a VIP. I'm going to show you some practical ways to elevate the patient experience within ChiroUp, from the very first visit to follow-ups, newsletters, and personalized materials without it feeling too forced or fake. So the first tip I want to share is that the first visit sets the tone for the entire patient relationship. ChiroUp makes it easy to create a VIP experience right from the start. So I wanted to highlight here, just under the practice resources and then marketing campaigns. If you scroll down, we have a new patient experience under the marketing campaigns. And this is a great guide to find all the materials you need to prepare for new patients. You'll see here step-by-step instructions and tips and tricks, as well as pre-built resources that you can use and within your clinic to make your new patients feel informed, comfortable, and valued. Any of these materials are free for you to use, and we can also customize them with your clinic logo as well if you're interested. The next tip I wanted to go over is just our forms library and call out our different marketing assets we have here that you can use for your patients. The forms library offers a variety of marketing assets, including infographics, rack cards, patient communications, MD and attorney communications. You can attach these materials to condition reports, or you can even print them out and hand them out to your patients. And we can also customize any of these materials with your clinic logo as well. Patients especially feel appreciated when the content is personalized to their condition. So even small touches like this, like a relevant infographic or a customized handout, can make them feel very tailored to and more thought out. These simple actions can go a long way in creating that VIP level experience. Going back over into the marketing campaigns tab here, another few campaigns I wanted to call out is just our patient newsletter campaign, which is right here. These are some just templates and steps and ideas on how to achieve this, but there's a few examples here. But if you are a premium subscriber with us, we send out a monthly newsletter as well that is free for you to use. But these are just kind of a base as well if you want to get some inspiration. Consistency builds trust, so even a short monthly newsletter like this can remind your patients that your clinic is thinking of them. Another campaign I wanted to call out as well is the VIP recognition campaign. VIPs are your best referrers, so you want to treat them accordingly. So you want to identify your top patients, and you can utilize this campaign to kind of leverage these patients and make them feel special and heard. These touches can reinforce loyalty without the need to push additional services on them. And then another thing I wanted to call out is just that the VIP experience continues after the visit, which is why our automated post-care survey can come into play here. And you can use this to track your improvements and make sure your patients feel like they're being followed up on and taken care of, and that you care about their level of care and that they're seeing improvement. Even a simple call or message referencing the survey response or checking in on their exercises can make your patients feel valued and remembered. And then one last tip I just wanted to share is just an idea to end every visit with clarity and connection. So before patients leave, summarizing what you did, reviewing their at-home instructions or even their condition report before they leave could be a great idea. And just confirming those next steps that you're thinking of them and that you value their level of care and that they are improving. This gives patients confidence, reduces and reinforces the sense that their care is intentional. Making patients feel like VIPs comes down to these small intentional touches. And with ChiroUp, you can personalize your condition reports, send targeted newsletters, recognize your top patients, and use branded materials all in one place, making that difference in the patient experience. Thank you for joining us today. And if you want any help setting up with these tools, please reach out and we'll be happy to guide you through it.